In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create QR codes for your Shopify products. Creating QR codes can be a fantastic way to engage your audience and streamline the shopping experience for your customers. Let's dive into the process and take a closer look at how you can do this effortlessly. To start off, you'll want to navigate to the Apps section in your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, use the search function to look for an app called Shopcodes. This app is specifically designed for generating QR codes and will be a key tool in this process. After you've found shop codes in the search results, go ahead and click on it. You will need to install the app, and then, for security purposes, you'll be prompted to confirm the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Once you've successfully installed the Shop Codes app, the next step is to create a new shop code. You'll find an option that says Create Shop Code within the app interface. Click on this option to begin setting up your QR code. You'll then be asked to enter a title for your QR code. Make sure this title is clear and descriptive, so you can easily identify what product or promotion the code is associated with in the future. Next, you'll need to add a product to your shop code. This is the product your QR code will be linked to. Shop Codes offers flexibility in terms of where a customer will be directed when they scan the QR code. You'll have a couple of options here. You can choose to link directly to the product page, or you can link to a checkout page with the product already added to the cart. Think about the customer journey and decide which option best suits the experience you wish to offer. If you want customers to get more details and explore, the product page might be the best choice. Alternatively, if you aim for a fast purchase journey, linking directly to checkout could streamline their experience. After you've completed these selections, it's time to wrap up the process by saving your work. Be sure to hit that Save button to store all of your settings. With that, your QR code is now ready to use. You can now begin incorporating it into different marketing materials or physical points of sale, such as packaging, posters, or brochures, where your customers can easily access it. Remember, using QR codes can greatly enhance the shopping experience by connecting digital and physical spaces, allowing for easy product access. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently generate QR codes that will serve as a bridge to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!